GMT truly rose 36.35% in 7 days, which generally is very huge. Bull control GMT's really current cost activities, which truly is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is floating at $346,717,663, which fundamentally is very critical. Current STEPN value sort of is $0.2908 October 2023. In this video we'll truly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time, basically sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a very wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they sort of thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations, showing how stepn support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765, showing how GMT rose 36.35% in 7 days in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. The genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $17,412,615,578 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a really significant manner. Which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which especially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.54, and at present exchanging at 52 cents in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market really is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a sort of broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, especially is somewhere near 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, which especially is very huge. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, extremely further appearance how bull control GMTs buy and large current cost activities in a really significant manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers essentially become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that the kind of all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578, which generally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers generally become move exceptionally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a fundamentally huge manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, essentially is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, showing how stepn support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars. So as of now, and in every practical sense, general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that XRP, the local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere around 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,104,192,453 all things considered are available for use out of 5,566,425,803. Certainly further appearance how similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants basically become move pretty dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. STPN value examination GMT cost examination for 08 October 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, sort of made sense of underneath. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC all things considered is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars. So right now, an extremely broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.54 and at present exchanging at 52 cents in a significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the STPN. Or so they explicitly thought. The genuinely relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin fundamentally is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 37, exhibiting that these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for pretty transient in an unobtrusive manner. While GMT's Williams % R pointer sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange signal by and large is especially conceivable at this reach, truly further appearance how as of now, a fundamentally broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, or so they really thought. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. STPN financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the for the most part day-to-day graph, exhibiting how